Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Acne, dark circles, and dull skin aren't inevitable facts of life that you just have to learn to live with. Rejuvenate your skin with this DIY face mask. It's natural and will get your skin problems out of the way so your inner beauty can shine through. Well, today I'm gonna share with you this magic mask for face. You will get rid of all skin problems. Well, let's get started. All we need here is 1 teaspoon of Nescafe, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, mix all the ingredients together and apply it on clean skin over your face and neck. Let it for about 25 to 30 minutes. And then rub the mask with the help of your fingers. And then wash your face with warm water. And you will see the results yourself. Clean and clear skin. After using this mask, my face felt soft and looked flawless. It gave me such a beautiful glow and made me feel so fresh. Making your own beauty products at home save money and you will know exactly what's in your products. You will be avoiding harmful and sometimes hidden ingredients. You can buy most of what you will need to make face and eye mask. Can't wait for you to try this mask. I hope you love it as much as I do. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching.